Yo, it's Winston here, and today I've got something really exciting. It's what I've been waiting for, and this was what I wanted all the time. This is the Corsair K63 wireless gaming keyboard.
It features Cherry MX red switches and comes in a compact Tenkeyless design, which is perfect for users who have limited desk space. It also comes with an ultra-fast 1 millisecond 2.4 GHz wireless connection, blue LEDs which are customizable using Corsair's utility engine, 128-bit AES wireless connection, 15 hours of battery life, as well as 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover. Let's start with a quick unboxing, and then we'll see how the keyboard feels to type and operate.
Just a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Funkykit. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by clicking on the affiliated links down below. If you're planning to make a purchase, why not visit our Amazon store to find some great bargains. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video. Alright, so we have the Corsair K63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. It's the short version, 10less keys, with nice, fast, responsive Cherry MX keys. Wi-Fi is 1 millisecond response. Blue LEDs. Alright, let's take a quick look at the keyboard itself. Alright, very nice. Nice and compact. It's just what I wanted. Good size there. Very nice. The MX red keys. Okay, let's see what else is inside the box. We have an instruction manual. Yep. And then there's the USB dongle for your wireless. Very nice. And then this wrist rest. Okay. Yep, wrist rest. Ooh, look at this USB cable. All right. So obviously wireless, you can put batteries in, and then you can actually use this as wired cable as well, using this USB cable. Okay. Alright, let's take a closer look at the keyboard itself. Nice MX red keys here, the Cherry MX red keys. At the top here we have the multimedia buttons here, stop, rewind, play, pause and forward. We also have the light switch on off, as well as the lock. And then here we have mute, a volume up and down as well. We still have the cursor keys right here, and also the page up and down, home, insert and delete. Yeah, very nice and compact. I like the size, definitely. At the back here we have the on-off switch to switch between Wi-Fi, and obviously you have also the USB connector there for if you want to connect it to the USB directly. And then you have the feet, which is pretty handy. This actually fits onto the lap board, the Corsair lap board, which we also have, and we will be actually mounting this and reviewing the whole setup later on in our next video. But yeah, so this is a quick look at the Corsair K63 wireless gaming keyboard, and we'll be actually giving a good test and see how it feels after a couple of hours use on the system.
The Corsair K63 wireless gaming keyboard, and you have the light switch here, as well as the key lock, and then you have the multimedia buttons here, and also the volume up and down, as well as the mute. And I've got the ripple effect in here. That's all programmable on the Corsair utility software. Yeah, and this is the kind of keyboard I want. Notice it's the Tenkeyless keyboard, and this very compact, perfect for my desktop. So this is the Corsair K63 wireless gaming keyboard.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and click on the subscribe button for more. Don't forget you can actually purchase all the items via the links down there. Until our next video, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.